Alright guys, we're about to head out and it's Friday. We're going for a drive, guys. I had a really productive day today actually during the day, today's vlog. I was mainly just working on the go-kart. A lot of it you guys didn't get to see, unfortunately, just because I was ducking in and out of my Friday family day. So on Friday, I normally get the family together, sisters, in-laws, kids' friends and whatnot like that, to come around on Friday when we all just hang out and have dinner at my house. So whilst everyone was entertaining themselves, I decided, hey, why not sneak out and finish off this go-kart. So what I've managed to do today is I've wired up the headlight, which works now via a switch. I've wired up the horn, which works now via a push button on the steering wheel, and the battery is fully charged at 84 volts, well 83.6 volts. I don't know why it won't go any higher, but look, it is what it is. So I think this thing will absolutely blow now. So I'm pretty sure this thing's gonna hit like 80 upwards. I'm confident now because I've wired the high and low speeds and stuff like that correctly, and I can hear it on the throttle. So I think next time out I'd love to take it for a drive. But also I've had this idea of doing night runs, but I don't think I can do that with slicks because it's just too slippery. My bad. It's just way too slippery for me to drive the go-kart, especially at full throttle. So I'm not too sure how I'm gonna get around that, or whether or not I'm gonna look into investing into some wet weather tires, just so they perform a little bit better in the cold, right? Is that how it works, or would I just stay on the slicks and just aggressively warm them up? I'm not too sure. But like I said, watch today's other video, because I'll separate these two videos between the Friday night drive and the Friday vlog. I'm not too sure whether or not we're going to see some people out today. I think I am meeting with my friend Victor, Mr. Yellow EKB16 with multiple shades of yellow. I think I'll be meeting him today. I'm not too sure if we've got another friend that will be coming out, but like I said, we're just going to hang and see if we can meet some new people, new faces. But we're trying to keep this tradition going. This is probably the fourth Friday in a row, so it should be pretty good. Unfortunately, I know that I have a Mr. Sean Sniper 7. I think it's Sniper 7. I actually never asked him. But he's got his white EK9. Unfortunately, he's moved up to Brisbane. So I know he would always be down for these type of cruises on a Friday night. And I was multitasking. Just before I left, I was spraying down the window. I was putting on my shoes. I was just running around all over the place, and I forgot my bottle of milk. So if I get a little bit cranky, then you guys know why. I'm not too sure, but I think this Golf wants some smoke. I'm pretty sure I was nearly going past him and he just flew past me. So let's keep our eyes on him and see how we go. But my car's still cold, so. But let's not use that as an excuse, right? So let's see. And I love my blow-off valve, but maybe I'm thinking it needs a little bit more of a faster blow-off valve noise, like that, like a gunshot or something, where it's just, I think the whiplash just feels like, it just feels like it's slowing down. Do you guys get what I mean? You know what's scary? It's scary that, like, just your normal everyday cars, they're so fast now. Like even I remember back then when I had my my K20 EG, I was driving against a Corolla ZR, and I'm not kidding, but that thing was fast, like proper fast. This is why you can't build fast cars anymore. Not yourself anyway. Not like people like me can build fast cars anymore. Just because with all these new cars, they're just fast. And then the ones with pockets, they're building like bloody 500 kilowatt Evos and GTRs, and it's even they could lose to bloody some RS3, RS5 or something like that. So it's just cars these days, it's just a very small window of being fast. So that's why you have to build your cars for yourself. You can't build cars for clout or anything like that, because in the end it's not worth it. And if your goal, sorry, I just had to add, and if your goal is to have a 500 kilowatt car, then, and that's what you want to build, go for it. Nothing wrong with that. I'm just talking from there are those people that build cars, they build it, they go hard out for 7 months, 8 months, and then they just sell it, which is nothing wrong with that. But like I said, a lot of people I see, especially on the people in friendship groups and whatnot, we see cars get built, bloody $70,000 thrown at it, and then within probably a couple of months they list it for sale. Alright, we're here with Victor. My car is so filthy, it needs a buff. But I don't really want to spend any time making this car pretty yet, so more important things to do, like try to afford the wheels, try to afford the sump, try to afford the LSD. So all this shininess is a non-priority. Yeah, I'm impressed. Yeah, pop it. Have a look if you want. I get it.
Oh, bro, that's hidden, man.
Yeah. Put it up or down. Pick. There you go. All good. Alright guys, forgot to charge my camera, but there goes Jaden and Daniel. So they came out, met me, had a look at the car, and you know what? Because they didn't know that you could fit a USB into the head unit of a car, and that pretty much just told me all I need to know in terms of the age gap between me and them. So it's crazy, absolutely crazy. Look who it is. GTR. What's going on, Sav? These guys, fucking animal this car is. Just met the owner, Zoki. G6E turbo. Auto as well, so fucking this thing's gonna be ballistic. 400 kilowatts apparently. Yeah, I wouldn't even try running. I don't know anything about Fords, but
Baby turbo.
baby, he says. Alright guys, it's 1:30 and we're still here. We're still here. What I like. Alright, so I don't know what else I'm gonna record, but my camera's dead, and that's my fault. So I'll see if anything else interesting happens tonight, but I'll update you guys. But basically, this is what I like. Every Friday, guys, catch me at Derrimut Car Wash. But I'm really hungry right now. I'm trying to convince everyone to come out and eat, but I guess it's just me with the fast metabolism. So I've convinced her to eat, which is good. So we're gonna go for a drive right now, and I can't really record it for you guys because I don't have anything. It feels weird looking at this camera, so I'll update you if anything special happens. Feels pretty good cruising around with these guys. Some big power boys. Alright, so we made it here to Bomber Burgers or wherever we are. It's been a while. Pretty sensible drive, driving with this lot, and it's good. Maybe it's because the weather was horrid. It's super wet out. It's just disgusting weather. Alright guys, it's currently 3:20 AM. Had a good night, chilled with friends, good feed. I'm a little bit tired, a little bit cold, a little bit wet, but good. Check out my speedo, 406, and I've got some petrol left, so should be pretty good so far. So I'm gonna go home and regret tomorrow. So thanks guys, happy Friday night drive. So heading home, I got caught, I don't know what it was. My friend came out, no dramas or anything like that, and I come out and it's fucking ripped off my bloody lip completely. So it's here somewhere. Snapped it in half. So there you go. What the hell was this? Oh my god, look at that. Could have been worse. Could have been worse, guys. Let me grab the other side of the lip and go home. Not how I wanted to finish my night, but shit happens. How's that, guys? What a way to finish the night. Just got home, I'm tired. I was like swerving on the freeway, but check this out. Broken completely. I picked up the pieces and I just threw them in the car just so I can have a look at it. So let's see what my lip now looks like. There's one half. Here's this bloody second half. So you fucking like ripped it out of the bumper. Like these are the screws that I had. It just fucking ripped it out of the bumper. Oh my god. Same with this. Like it just pulled everything out. This side's broken, but like I said, that's my alright, that's it. That's enough for today. Enough stupid for today. Alright, later guys.